Hello, this is me and Fry here. We're having a good time, as you can see. I just want to talk about the weather that we got in London, Ontario. It is cold out there. With this why this little guy's on my shoulder instead of me at work. Everybody. I just want to say that the weather between Michigan and London is quite crappy. And we got the coldest weather around, most likely. And who knows? Maybe the next ice age. Oh, I hope not. Me and my little friend here. Oh, you're cute. You're cute. Anyway, today was a quiet day with me and my little buddy on my shoulder. He's this little guy named Fry, and he's quite a guy. Well, he's not a guy, he's a bird, a lovebird at that. So, he does hang around on my sweater, on my person. It is very good today. Of course, he's very good every day. Today, he's staying with me for quite a long time now. He likes to fly around the house. So, on that note, I'm done. See you later. Bye.